Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to teach you how to make fast and easy serpentinas using tissue paper. So without further ado, let's begin. To make this fast and easy confetti, you're going to need tissue paper and a pair of scissors. For the tissue paper, it doesn't matter what size and what color you want to use. You can use any. Just know that you'll be working with 3 sheets of tissue paper at a time. To begin, you're going to need to grab however many sheets of tissue paper you're planning to use. You're going to want to stack them nicely, and then you're going to grab 3 of them. You're going to start to roll them. Roll them together, just like this. After rolling your tissue paper, it should look like a long pipe. Then what you're going to do is you're going to start cutting strips, just like this. As you're cutting, you can decide how big you want the width of the confetti to be. Once you're done, you should be left with a bunch of colorful looking circles or shapes, and they are ready to be used for Carnaval or any other occasion. In case you don't have tissue paper, you can always use the advertising newspaper that you get in the mail. It doesn't matter what what size and the quantity that you want to use. You can use however many. Just make sure that it's paper kind and not the glossy kind. And so you do the same thing that you do with the tissue paper, is you stack them and you work with 2 or 3 at a time. You get 2 sheets of newspaper or 3 and you begin to roll them. And then you just get your scissors and start cutting the strips. They still work like the Serpentinas. They may not be as colorful as the tissue paper ones, but this could be an option in case you don't have tissue paper or don't want to use tissue paper. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you how to make fast and easy serpentinas using tissue paper. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to leave a like and comment down below anything that you would like to see in the future, and I'll take it into consideration, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye y'all.